Reaching the next generation. Why traditional church isn't enough anymore. The next generation is waiting. Will we rise to the challenge? The COVID-19 pandemic and outdated approaches are failing to connect with a digitally native generation. Young people's lives are increasingly dominated by digital connections, making traditional church feel irrelevant.
This innovative concept blends faith with the digital world, proposing engaging digital worship. Reaching the next generation is a compelling call to action, emphasizing that while the gospel remains constant,
the methods of pastoring must evolve. Will we rise to the challenge? The next generation is waiting.
如水一卷，草早晨发芽生长，晚上就被割下枯乾。耶稣是神的儿子，他短短诗篇90篇摩西告诉我们，生命有多长，他说升到天上，他答应我们，有一天他要回来接属他的人。你预备好见他了吗？
JGospelNet can work with your church to build an immersive worship hall and train your kids to operate it.